ఎటు ఇప్పుడు
కాఫీ ప్లాంటేషన్
ఎక్కడ?
ఎవరు తెలుసు
గూగుల్ తల్లి.
గుంతలే మన తీసుకెళ్ళి లెఫ్ట్ తీసుకున్నది రోడ్ లేదేం లేదు ఆడ.
మన ఎట్లా
సీదా గుంటుంది ఆడ.
దుకేదా?
టేక్ లెఫ్ట్ అంట.
టేక్ లెఫ్టా?
వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. ఎంత 10-15 నిమిషాలు ఉన్నాయి. 8 to 10 kilometers. అది ఎంత ఉండే పేరు
మంగళగిరి. రే ఏందిరా పోదామని పండుకున్నావు?
కొడతారా సిక్కుండా అందుతారా?
రే అందరం రెడీ ఉన్నాం రా, షూస్ వేసుకొని ఉన్నాం. లేదా పోదాంపా.
2 hours కూర్చొని
వాడరా, నేను కాదరా. సనత్ మేడ్ న్యూ ఫ్రెండ్. అందరు ఫోన్లో బిజీ ఉన్నారు.
DSLRలో తీసిన హెచ్డీలో షాట్ వస్తుంది యూట్యూబ్. గోల్డ్ కలర్లో ఎందుకు కొందరాలి?
వేర్రా
We might have done mistake.
వాట్?
దోశ ఆర్డర్ చేసినాం ఇప్పుడు.
ఏం కాదు, తినేసాం. ఏం దోశతో చికెన్ తినావా ఇప్పుడు? నువ్వు తినవు కదా. ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్ ఆఫ్ దోశ ఆర్ చపాతి జీ.
Shut up please.
రైస్ ఆర్డర్ చేస్తున్నాం తర్వాత కావాలంట. వై డోంట్ హ్యావ్ నాన్స్ రా?
తొందరగా పెట్టాలి కదా.
ఇటాలియన్ లేదంటారా?
అవన్నీ నాన్
ఇటాలియన్ రాత్రి ఫోటో పెడతారు.
You see this guy?
నంబర్ 1 bullshit guy. Shit man shit.
పోంది లోపల
అయిపోయిందా సర్జరీ? హాస్పిటల్ ఏమో ఉన్నారా?
సనత్ వస్తే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్ పెట్టాలి. కాఫీ ఏంటి పేరేంటి? కాదు కాఫీ.
నేను నడుస్తున్న వీడియో చూసి రియాలిటీ ఆఫ్ పూర్ కాఫీ.
కాఫీ సీడ్స్. క్యాజువల్ వ్యూ పాయింట్ దొరికింది మనకి. అరే అది ఫోటో దిగొచ్చురా మనం అందరం. సనత్ సోలార్
కోలార్ గోల్డ్ మైన్.
సాయి చరణ్ ఉంటాడు కింద. ఐఎమ్ సోలార్ అంటాడు. లేదు మనం. ఓ కాఫీ. Coffee everywhere.
The total area is around 15.5 acres, okay? We have around 8,000 to 9,000 coffee trees. This is all coffee trees, okay? This is all coffee fruit, okay? In the month of December only you will get the fruit actually. Okay, it's a harvesting season. Okay, yes. See, this is a fruit coffee. So peel it, you get a 2 bean in 1 coffee.
Okay.
You will be 2 bean in 1 coffee. This kind of. See, this is the coffee bean. We dry then roast actually. After roasting we grind and make a powder of that actually. Okay. Yes. This has to be dried actually. Yeah. Okay. I will tell you more about coffee further actually. The variety, flavor, how we make all.
So the roasting also you guys only do here or
No,
here?
no, no. We grow, harvest, and we dry, then we sell to the coffee boards actually. And see, this is all the black pepper. It's a creeper, not a tree actually. Black pepper. Okay. So there the green one hanging there. You know, now it's in a green. When it is ready, it turns to cherry red color. And we harvest and we dry. So after drying, it turns to black. That's what we use as a black pepper. Okay. We remove the skin of the black, inside will be white color. So that is white pepper.
अच्छा.
From the same. This is bay leaf, biryani leaf. Tej pata, tamal pata. We use in biryani, pulao, वगैरह.
Yes, yes, yes.
You can use the dry leaf as a natural mosquito repellent also. This one, okay. What we use in cooking, you know, the same leaf, rub the neem oil to that actually, then you can burn. Small smoke will come, that is very effective for the mosquitoes actually. We normally use good dent and other things, right? It is very harmful for our lungs actually, but this will be the natural. No? Neem oil also, it's natural. You know? Yeah. Here we have this, the orange. It's not a sweet orange, bitter orange. It won't taste sweet actually, bitter and sour, okay? We use making, you know, jam, juice, chutney, pickle out of this actually.
अच्छा.
Yeah, for the diabetic it's very good actually. No sweet, you know, only bitter and sour, you know. This bamboos we plant in the sideways because bamboo got a nice small roots actually, it holds the soil very nicely. In the monsoon you get a heavy rain, you know, the landsliding, soil erosion will happen actually. To avoid that we plant bamboos actually, okay.
Okay.
And it grows very fast. 3 years back we planted a small plant actually, now you can see a lot of bamboos has come actually. It will spread automatically actually. You need to plant only one actually, it's a big grass variety. Yeah. See, this is the tree of cocoa. The chocolate all made from
chocolate.
Yes, yeah. See, in the month of October, November, so we get a fruit, you know, we have done the harvesting, the bigger fruit actually. So we open the fruit, inside will be a lot of seed, 15-20 seeds. We take the seed, we wash, we dry, then we roast. Then we remove the skin of that, inside will be the black thing, that is cocoa. We grind and make a powder of that, we use as a cocoa powder. We use for homemade chocolate, dark chocolate, chocolate made cakes, वगैरह we use actually, okay. Cocoa is very healthy, it burns your bad cholesterol actually, the 100% cocoa. No? See all this dark chocolate, and they use 40-50% of, you know, cocoa in it actually. So, but the cocoa powder you get in the bottles actually, that is pure will be, yeah. You can consume with the milk also, if you are on diet, so you can mix with the warm water and can drink also. But shouldn't use sugar, it's a bitter taste, but it's good for health actually. Instead of sugar, you can use jaggery, you know, jaggery is good actually, instead of sugar, yeah. This is the vanilla plant. Okay, the vanilla. It's not a creeper, it's a climber actually. Okay, see, creeper it will roll and go. Na? The climber climbs straight away actually. Okay, in the month of February, March, we get a flower on these actually. When the vanilla flower comes, we have to do manual pollination for the vanilla flower. See, all other flowers it happens automatically. The bees will help, the wind will help for the pollination. But the vanilla flower, it's a pipe kind of. The bees cannot go in, the wind cannot help actually. That's why we do manually. Okay, I have to come in the morning with a clean hand, take a small stick, open the flower, take out the pollen, put to another flower, from that flower this flower, cross pollination. Then only can get a vanilla bean. It will be a lengthy bean, smaller first, it will be, look at 4-5 months to grow bigger. It will grow bigger, then we harvest and we dry. We don't dry in the sunlight, it has to dry in a shade heat actually. It takes number of days, 80, 90, 100, 120 days to dry actually. After that it turns to brown color. Then we get aroma from that actually. That's what vanilla. So all this essence, you know, in the bottles you get, it's all not real, it's all chemical actually.
Artificial.
Okay? Yeah. See, in the ice cream also they will use the chemicals only. Okay, it's not the real one. The real it will be the pod actually, otherwise it will be in a brown color. Now these days the brown one also is available, that's the pure one actually. Yeah. You can buy the pod, you can use at home, you know. Direct dip into it. If you're making any homemade ice cream, you know, just dip into it, take it out, store it in an airtight container. Na? So for more than 2 years you can use that one pod actually. Only the aroma matters, the aroma will, you get actually. Yes, yeah. The second costliest spices actually. The first, the kesar, the saffron, the second is vanilla. Third, now cardamom is there.
Cardamom.
Yes. See, in Karnataka, there are two places most growing coffee. One is Coorg, another Chikmagalur. Heard about Chikmagalur? No? Yes. In coffee, mainly two varieties we grow in India. One is Arabica and another Robusta. Okay?
Arabica.
Yes. We grow almost all main Robusta we grow in Coorg region actually. See, in Chikmagalur, say they grow Arabica more actually. Okay? The Robusta, it's a bigger stem, the bigger leaf, and the coffee looks in a round shape actually. Okay? We have very few Arabica, the small plant actually, the lean one. I'll show you further actually. Okay? Yeah. All they grow in Chikmagalur side actually. Okay? Yes. The Robusta coffee is a strong coffee. It has a caffeine content of 3.1%. Arabica is a mild coffee. It has a 1.5% of caffeine actually. Okay? See, all Arabica coffee they use in instant coffees, Nescafe, brew, whatever, and it's all ready-made,
Arabica.
Yes. Robusta coffee we use in a filter coffee. The filter jug will be the prepared decoction. Normally, South Indian all hotels and homes, you get the Robusta coffee, the stronger one actually. Yes. Here you can see, this is the Robusta and this is the Arabica. That's a smaller leaf, the lean stem. The coffee will be more lengthy actually. It won't be in a like round shape actually. Okay, there is some more coffee.
అక్కడ ఉంది చూడు. ఒక్కటి ఉంది.
More lengthy, you can see. Okay, it's more bigger and more lengthy will be there. Yes. Yeah, this is the Robusta one. It's in a round shape.
Robusta. మంచి పెరిగినాయి ఈడ.
Banana, Ilachi banana, small banana. This is banana flower, all of it there. See, nothing goes waste on banana plant. All this banana, the small one, the flower also there. We use everything from banana. See the banana stem, we make sabji out of that. Inside will be the white color part, Very healthy, a lot of fiber in it actually. We make banana stem juice also. That is very effective medicine for kidney stone. Okay, we cut, mix with the mixie and squeeze and take the water, it's a juice. It's very good for weight loss also, banana stem juice. For the acidity also it's very good. It neutralizes all your acidic things in your body, okay. And banana, like the flower, make sabji out of that. It has an iron content, It increases your hemoglobin thing actually. Who is suffering from less hemoglobin, it's very helpful for them actually. Okay. And see, you heard about banana silk sarees? See the banana stem, we cut that, we crush that one, we remove the thread from that actually. Okay, from that they make a saree. Okay, first the saree came, now they make even the mats, floor mats. Okay, the blankets and the shirts also they are used to make these days actually. So Dhirubhai Ambani, he invented actually from banana silks, so we make sarees and other things actually. Yeah, nothing goes waste on that actually. Yeah, this is the only banana you can eat all times actually. See, in the monsoon you can eat that big banana, you get a cold and coffee, This is no cold and cough. Yeah. We'll tell you more about coffee now, okay? Yes. Yeah, that's what I told you, the coffee. We grow two variety of coffee in India, especially, okay? In Karnataka, there are two places most growing coffee. One is Coorg and another Chikmagalur. Chikmagalur you heard, no? Yes. See, Arabica and Robusta. This is the tree of Arabica. It has a lean stem, the smaller leaf, and the coffee will be more lengthy and more bigger actually. Okay. The Robusta, the behind and here, all it's a bigger stem, the bigger leaf, and the coffee will be in a round shape actually. Okay. See the taste of the coffee also. Robusta is a strong coffee. It has a caffeine content of 3.1%. Arabica 1.5%. Mild coffee. We all use Arabica coffee in instant coffees. Nescafe, brew, sunrise, whatever. The Robusta coffee we use in a filter coffee. The filter jug we prepare decoction, mix with the milk and we have. Normally South Indian all hotels and homes, Yes. See, coffee yearly one time harvest actually, in the month of December only. Okay. In the month of February get a flower actually. In the month of December all the berries get red color, then we do the harvesting. The harvesting part all by manually, there is no machineries actually. We hire the laborers, they go each tree and the harvest by hand actually. Okay. After harvesting, we take down, we dry it in the sunlight, direct sunlight actually. It has to be dried 15 to 20 days, direct sunlight. Then after drying, the fruit turn to black brown color actually. Then we have to remove the skin of that actually by peeling, you know. That's by machinery we do actually. Till drying we do manually, then it's a machinery actually. We remove the skin by machinery, then we get a bean actually. Then we roast the bean in a certain degree temperature, certain with a machine chicory powder. It has the same color as coffee, it has the same aroma as coffee. That's why they mix with coffee and the sale actually. First thing to increase the quantity of the coffee. Coffee is costly, chicory is lesser price, you know, that's why they mix and sell. You cannot identify, no, that's why. The second thing, if you mix chicory powder into your coffee became more thick, more milky, more creamy, more aroma, more flavor you can make in coffee. That's why I go to Starbucks and cafe, you know, and the menu got so many flavors. How they make? We grow only 2 varieties in India. They mix chicory powder in a percentage, 5, 10, 20 till 80 to 90% they mix chicory powder with the coffee and they make different flavor, different name, different price actually. It's all not pure coffee. See, instant coffee is all they use 30-40%. Okay, continental is more actually 50%, something like that they use actually. Now the question comes, chicory is good for health or not? The pure coffee is good for health actually, but not with the chicory. The certain percent of chicory, 7 to 10% in a coffee, there is no harm on human body actually. But using more than 10% of chicory, using every day, it is very harmful for our health actually, especially for our heart. See, the chicory makes coffee thicker, in the same way it makes your blood also thicker. Not immediately, one or another day actually. Okay, using more than 10% of chicory coffee, using every day. Okay, blood thickener is not good thing, bad, clots, flow won't be proper, the heart attack, heart disease, all that, yeah. These days, it's common, why? Because we don't know what we eat, what we drink. We follow others actually, right now. How we know the coffee brand? We saw the ads on the TV, na? Just like a superstar, they come and act, they say this coffee is good. We blindly believe on them, we buy that brand, we use actually. What we want, nice taste, aroma, thick coffee, aroma coffee, all that we want.
Instant.
Yes, instant. We see the packet, high price, okay, we thought it will be good, so we buy and use it. Okay. We won't read the content also. See, these days the food department, they made a strict rule, it's a mandatory, you have to mention the chicory content on the packet. Now they are mentioning it actually. Previous 3-4 years back, they were not mentioning on the packet actually. They sell just selling as a coffee actually. Okay. Now these days, the certain other brands also came without, chicory actually. The Nescafe Gold and Brew Gold as well. It has a zero chicory, no chicory in it actually. Previously American use, now it is available in India also. The price will be slightly high actually. It's a pure coffee actually. Yes. And it depends on how you consume the coffee also. The coffee should drink without milk, without sugar. The black coffee is always good for health actually. Okay. See, if you mix milk with the tea or coffee, the acidity will start actually. We are the Indians, the taste matter for us actually. Tomorrow what will happen, we don't care actually. We won't bother about it actually. Right now. And we use sugar a lot, especially the white sugar. It is very bad. It's a slow poison. It kills us actually. See, white sugar kills our immunity power. 1 teaspoon of white sugar, it kills our 3 months of immunity power. Just imagine how many spoons we are using in a day. These days we have lack of immunity power. Our body produces actually. Again, what do we eat, what we drink actually. So depend on that actually. Okay. Yeah. So it's always best without chicory coffee. And normally you can use jaggery. The olden day we used to use jaggery. The good, bellam. So it is now it's available in the powder form also. You can use that actually. Yeah.
So you said it is harvested only in December.
Yes, sir.
So throughout the year, all the coffee in the world is harvested in December, and we use that.
Yes. Most in India actually. See, India there are two places, 2 states like Karnataka and Kerala. Kerala only one place. Why not only they grow coffee actually? Otherwise, Coorg and Chikmagalur actually. Yes.
So people will go inside this.
Yes. They go inside and they harvest it actually. The black coffee is always good for health actually. It burns your bad cholesterol actually. It makes your digesting very proper. Especially it makes your bones very stronger actually. And the brain, it makes your brain, always non-stop, Without milk, huh? Yeah, without milk, without sugar.
I drink daily 1 glass.
It's very good actually. It will be healthy. You see, this is a tree of orange actually. Okay? Orange tree. Coorg orange. It is not a bitter, it's a sweet. Sweet and sour actually. It won't taste too sweet. Sweet and sour actually. See, normally Nagpur is famous for oranges. Na? Small trees, lot of big oranges. But here the trees go high, the orange will be small actually. Okay. It won't be too sweet. Mixture is sweet and sour actually.
Total, how many coffee plantations are there here?
Here in Coorg?
No, here.
Almost.
In here.
Here coffee plants, sir.
Yes.
8,000 to 9,000.
8,000, 9,000.
Cardamom.
Ah.
Cardamom won't grow on the plant actually. It will be in a ground level. You can see the root kind of, it's coming out, the creeper
Yes,
kind
yes,
of.
yes.
There the cardamom will come actually. That is in the month of August and September actually. Now is the flowering time actually. Okay, yesterday we had a flower actually. Now it is not there. Okay. So the fruit will be this big actually. We harvest, okay, maybe 1 kg of fruit cardamom. After drying it became 100 grams only. 1 kg of cardamom fruit, after drying it became 100 grams only. That's why it's so costly actually. Yeah. Even coffee also, the fruit coffee, maybe the 10 kg of fruit coffee, after process of powder, it became 2 kg of powder. 10 kg to 2 kg only. The rest goes waste actually. Anyway, we harvest and we dry, the weight will go. Then again we remove the skin, then it's a waste actually. Then again the roasting, the bean roasting, the weight will go. Then again powder, the 2 kg of powder we get actually. Yeah. All these black peppers you can see here. Now it is in a green actually. Okay. It's a green pepper. So another few days it turned to cherry red color. Then we take, then we dry actually. After drying it turned to black. So we remove the skin of the black, inside will be white color. So that is white pepper.
White pepper.
Yes. All from the same.
Mm.
The black gold. The British used to call it black gold,
Black gold.
The black pepper. Yes. See, after harvesting, we have a certain maintenance to tree actually. I have to cut down the old branches actually. Then the new branches will come. More new branches, more new coffee we can get. Old branches won't give more coffee actually. Okay. Yes. And the plant, make from the seed actually. The sapling, small plant we make, then we plant. It requires 2 to 3 years to grow bigger. From the 4th year, you can harvest a coffee every year till 80 to 90 years. Okay. The tree can stay 80 to 90 years once you plant actually. But there is certain maintenance you have to do that actually. Okay. The coffee requires very less water. That's why we all have slow plant. When the rain comes, the water should flow down. It should not stay bottom of the coffee tree. If there is a water under the coffee tree for 2 weeks, the tree will die. The roots are very sensitive actually. But when it needs water, when the flower starts coming, in the month of February, the flowers will come. That time the flower need water actually. That time if the rain comes, it's good actually. Otherwise we put a pipeline, we do the sprinkling on the flower. The artificial rain, Then the flower get blossom for the next year we get a coffee actually. If the flower got dried up, you won't get coffee for the next year actually. Okay. If you leave the coffee tree, it grows like any height actually. Then again harvesting is problem. Now have to climb up and harvest, a lot of work and the yield also will be less. That's why we just straight from branches. Now we cut that actually. Then the branches will spread like a bush. So that's why it's similar height, like a bonsai kind of actually. Okay. So that's why. Yeah. To Rajaseat.
Yes.
You can see from here. The tower is there, na?
Yes.
The right hand side, lot of tree. After that there is a arch kind of, the
Yes,
white
yes,
color,
yes,
that is Rajaseat.
Acha.
It's a sunset and sunrise point actually. The big tower in the right hand side, lot of tree. After that there is a gap, the white color arch kind of, that is Rajaseat. Yeah. So olden days things were there actually. Rajalog. लोग शाम को सुबह जाके उधर बैठ जाता. So that's why it's called Rajaseat. Third variety of coffee Liberica. Then Liberian coffee, okay. We normally won't grow in India much actually. We won't use in India because it has a caffeine content of 5.1%, which is very high. See, Arabica has a 1.5, Robusta has a 3.1. See, normal human body takes still 4% of caffeine. If it is more than that, it's a kind of drug. It is not good for health actually. They use in a painkiller medicines, cough syrup, anesthesia, वगैरह they use actually. Okay. Especially the energy drinks, Red Bull, Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, all has caffeine, it's written on the bottle, They all use this caffeine actually, which is very bad for health actually. The sugar and caffeine, it's direct affecting for the heart actually. Yes. Once you're having, you will feel like, you're on the sky actually. And later sometime, it's very bad actually. Yeah. This black pepper. The creeper, it grows on any tree actually. You plant down the creeper, it will grow like, Yeah. heard about the world best coffee, the costliest coffee? The world best coffee, the costliest coffee.
Starbucks.
No. But even they won't serve you like the pure coffee actually. Okay. It's called Civet Cat coffee. Civet Cat coffee. We call here Beko coffee. In Kopi Luwak also we call it actually. Civet cat is a small cat actually, jungle cat actually. It will be in the jungle. When the coffee gets ripened, it come and eat the fruits, coffee fruits. It cannot digest the bean, it poops out with the bean actually. They collect that poop, they do the process, cleaning whatever. From that bean they make a coffee, that is the world best coffee. The mug of coffee costs you more than 2,000 rupees. For a bean, 5,000 to 2 lakh it is per kg. See, in Indonesia, there's a place called Bali. There it is very famous. They catch the cats, they keep in a cage, they feed the coffee, they do the process actually. Okay. So because of fermented cat stomach, they say it is good actually. Decaffeine happens, Decaffeine coffee is always good for health, So that's the reason actually. Yeah. The civet cat coffee.
Civet cat.
See, this is all the pineapple plants. Pineapple. The lengthy leaves, Pineapple will come from the center actually. You have a fruit. Then again on top of that, the same plant will be there. We take the plant, we plant again. The second pineapple will come. One plant, one pineapple only will get actually. Yeah. Root like this, the small roots, We take the roots, we dry, make a powder and we use actually. Okay. Especially for the ladies after baby delivery, lactation, milk content, other things, that time they use that shatavari powder actually. Okay. Any kind of lactation is very good actually. For the memory power, it's very good actually. Okay. For our generation actually. The children, while they stop talking, half talk, low talk, that time they apply on the tongue with a honey. They speak nicely actually. These days, it proved as an anti-cancer this thing. Now they use in cancer medicines also. Okay, first and second stage of cancer can be cured, from shatavari. There are, certain way to use, so it can be cured actually. Yeah. Then Ayurvedic medicinal plant. See, we have here also. This is the plant actually. There's a bunch of fruit down here. This kind of. Yeah. See, coffee is not Indian. This thing actually, it came from other country, Okay, the Arabica coffee came from Arab country, Oman, The Sufi Sandhi bought to Chikmagalur actually. It was basically from Chikmagalur, Sufi Sandhi, So he bought, on the way back to here, so from Mecca, so he found nice, trees which has a red berries, He ate some fruits, he felt it's good actually. So bought to Chikmagalur, Baba Budangiri planted actually. That's how the Arabica coffee first came to India actually. The British guys, when they come to, India, that time they bought from Brazil and Africa actually. The Robusta coffee they bought to India. Yeah. Even tea also not Indian this thing, so it's from China, yeah. It's ready to harvest. See, this is a tree of Nandi. Okay. It's a 90-year-old tree actually. It grows 200 plus years actually. Okay, huge, big it will grow. That's why it's named Nandi. You heard about Nandi, Shiva Nandi? Yes. Huge bull, big bull, strong bull. The olden days, all houses built by wood or mud, That time they used to use this wood actually. Okay, it's nice wood, strong wood. Yeah. This is the jackfruit tree. Jackfruit. The silver oak tree. Grows very fast. We purposely plant actually. Okay, the 10 years it grows huge, big actually. Then we cut and sell actually. The wood is very soft when it's fresh. You can do any kind of carving and other things actually. When it gets dry, it is very hard and lightweight actually. That's why they use cricket bats, matchsticks, the wooden boats. Wooden furnitures, the lightweight furnitures. All they use this. Yeah. These days lightweight furniture is very costly. Easy to handle. See all these birds, the chili. It's called a bird eye chili. The very small chili and very spicy. The second spiciest chili. The first one, the Nagaland chili in the Bhuja Lokia. This is the second spiciest chili. Compared to all other chili, this chili is very healthy actually. See, all other chilies make you acidity. This chili removes your acidity. We use in cooking, making pickle out of this, especially the homemade wine, 0% alcohol. They made out of this chili also. It's very good for acidity and cold and cough actually. Yeah, very small, it will be very spicy. See this Arabica, it's more lengthy. The Robusta, it is in a round shape. And here is the curry leaf, you know. Very small leaf and a very good aroma you get this, you know. The curry leaf. It's a very good aroma.
Take one part.
Normally in the market, you know, you get a bigger leaf, you know. No aroma only, but there's a smaller leaf, you know. There's a very good aroma. This is a real one actually. All that what you get in the market, the hybrid one, you know, no aroma, only for the show you will put actually. It's a very good antioxidant. It's good for hair and eye actually. The tree of avocado, butterfruit.
Avocado.
Yeah. It's very costly fruit, no taste, but it's very healthy. It burns your bad cholesterol and increases your good cholesterol. So this is the tree. Now it's the flowering time actually, another 4 months you get avocado. Yeah. Normally we use in milkshakes, the salads, you know. For the skin also it is very good. This is also the avocado tree. You can see the small one, you know, it's up there, you know. Very small, the green one. One is a little more bigger one is there. The one up there is a small one.